Student, here we discuss how to identify real versus fake configuration, absolute configuration in D and L fructose. Remember, D and L fructose, and the this absolute configuration at stereogenic center of the glucose and F fructose. As well as we will discuss about how many number of stereoisomers can be derived from fructose. Okay, so first we discuss about number of stereoisomers derived from fructose. So this is D fructose, this is L fructose. See here, just OH on right, OH on right in the last in these chiral centers. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 4th carbon, 4 carbon, this is 5th carbon, this is 6th carbon, and this is 3rd carbon. Okay, so then these 3, 4, 5, these are 3 chiral centers. Here also 3, 4, 5, these are the chiral centers. So we will use the formula that number of stereoisomers is equal to 2 power n. N is the number of chiral centers. So how many chiral center or stereogenic centers are there? 3 chiral carbons, because this chiral carbon means it is attached with 4 different groups. Okay, so 3 chiral centers, so 2 power 3, that is 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. So total 8 stereoisomers are there. So last part is done. Now we'll see the fake configuration and real configuration. And this CH2S, C double bond O, CH, OH, and the rest of the chain. We discuss about this C3 carbon first. So OH is on the left side. So left side it is fake, it looks like that it is R, but actually it is true is S. Why I am saying so? Because this is having first priority, keto group is having second priority, upper part, now we'll say upper part of the chain is having second priority, lower part of the chain is having third priority. So it looks like that it is moving like this, rotation is like this, clockwise, rotation is like clockwise, okay, like this. But actually it is not, because it is on the horizontal line. If it is vertical line, then it's okay, but it is not. It is on the horizontal line, so reverse is true. So if it is looking like that is R configuration, but actually it is S configuration. Similarly, OH is looking like that it is S configuration, but it is R. Right side R, right side R. I always say that pentose sugar and keto sugar, and they are having in general lower side 4, 5. This is RR configuration, okay, and 6 is not chiral carbon. Clear to you? So here 3 chiral center, here it is called 3S. Now I am numbering 3S, 4R, and this is 5R. Clear? And now L configuration, just these are the mirror image of each other. Now here OH on the this right side,